challenges force new relationships. They force us to, do something different, get out of our comfort zone. Challenges are what make us really good. Being uncomfortable is where all the growth happens, right? So I think all of these things, are they going to have an impact to our industry? Absolutely. But, people are going to still choose to have a treat. And people are still there. It's not going away, just going to be different. And I think that what I've seen through my journey is things are things change quicker now than they did in the past. And so that's why I'm thankful that we've put, some investment into technology and information so that we can continue to move quick